In this video, you'll learn how easy it is to create a new prioritization template using Jira custom fields in the Priorities module. Once you're in the Priorities module, click Configuration. Expand the switcher and click Create New Template. Provide a template name. Before we create a score formula, we need to add Jira fields as metrics. In our example, we'll use the following Jira custom fields: impact, urgency, severity. Remember that you can adjust the colors and values. Now, when all Jira custom fields are added, we can enter our score formula. Once ready, click Save Changes. That's all. Our prioritization template based on Jira custom fields is ready to use. A template based on Jira fields will work only for tasks. For boxes and goals, feel free to create templates using various custom priority metrics. Let's complete the metrics for a few tasks. To sum up, the Priorities module allows you to create customized prioritization templates based on Jira custom fields.